Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
As a retoucher, there are some techniques that are absolutely indispensable, such as dodge and burn and frequency separation, but also check layers, inverted high pass, or match color. The Retouch plugin is meant to lighten your workflow by offering presets for those techniques, which you can activate with a double click. If you need a 50% gray dodge and burn layer, you can double click here. If you need a simple layer within a dodge and burn group, you can click here. And if you work with a more advanced dodge and burn curves technique, you can click here. Same for frequency separation. If you need a simple Gaussian blur frequency separation, click here. A more advanced median frequency separation, click here. If you have your own demands on how frequency separation should work, simply create your own preset, where you can define a method for your frequency separation, default values, and some other options, as well as the naming and color of the layers and groups. Define a name for the preset, save it, and now it's available to you with just a double click. Same goes for every other category. Let's say you like the check layer presets, but you want to adjust it. Click on this icon, activate the Open Group on Creating box, save it, and create. And now the group stays open, so you can directly select the check layer you need. There's an elongation technique where you can extend specific areas. And a match color preset, which allows you to harmonize two different colors. You can also import your own Photoshop actions in here. And there are some very advanced saving presets where we can also change the image size, rename the document, and define a destination such as specific folder, original folder, or parent folder, always with the option to create a subfolder. The plugin is very fast and slick and can be easily placed somewhere in your palettes, but can be expanded if necessary to adjust or add presets. The plugin supports English and German. All presets can be saved and exchanged through different computers. And if you want to get a more in-depth video, check out our website fxray.com.